Hi, welcome to Microsoft Project Training course. Today in this video, I would like to talk about the resources over allocation in the project. In previous lesson, you already know what are the resources in the project, and today in this video, we will go more deeply to review how many tasks, how many working hours we already assigned to specific person. From that, you will understand who already is over allocated in the project, and from that you can define some the plan to resolve and allocate some tasks to other person to support each other in the project. Okay, so now let's get started. This is the Microsoft project plan we already is working in previous lesson, and here take a look into the task sheet here. We already defined some tasks here, and in previous lesson, we already assigned the task to all the team member in the project. And you also set some the dependency for some tasks in the project. However, we still have some tasks in fantasy still not completed. Okay. You take a look into the left hand side, we have the red icon here. So here you hover on this, you will see that this task has over allocated resources. That means for now the task A1 here is assigning to the depth 01 here, and when you see the icon in red, that means for now the depth 01 already over allocated in the project, and he or she already have a lot of work need to be done in the project. So you have to review the task assigned to him to find some ways to resolve the over allocated issues in the project. Yeah, the same thing for the task A2, the depth 02 and also depth 03 also over allocated. Here we have the depth A4 and depth A5. It seems no over allocated tasks for them. It should be the same thing for depth 06. Yeah. Okay. So now here, firstly, you see that we have depth 01. Let me highlight this one for easier to follow. Yeah. This one in row 5, and this one in 12, and this one in the 18, 20, and 26. Yeah, this is the own task we are assigning to the depth 01. Yeah, so here you should set some the dependencies for the depth 01. Let's say he has to complete the task A1 first, and then after he finishes all of the developments for the task A1, he will be having the efforts to work on the task B2. The same thing for other tasks, B8 and the C7 and C1. So here you can select this task A1 and press the control button on the keyboard and click on the task and click on the task B2, B8, C1 and C7, and then you take a look into the ribbon menu. Under scatter section, we have the the link selected task, or even click on the Control F2 on the keyboard. So here I will click on this one. Yeah, and it will set the dependencies for all the tasks assigning to the depth 01. Yeah, so that means let's take a look into the Gantt chart here on the right hand side. You can see the dependency for this. So here we have this one, and also this one. Yeah, and the next one here. Yeah, you can see the starting date here, depth 01 after complete the previous task, and the same thing for other tasks. Yeah, so that's why when we can identify the dependencies for own tasks assigning to some specific person, and you set some the correct dependencies for those tasks, that means the over allocators have been resolved in the project. You can do the same thing for the depth 02, this one, this one, sorry, this one, yeah, the same thing. Yeah, and for depth 03, yeah, before I change the dependencies for depth 03, I will guide you another ways to identify who already over allocated in the project. The first ways you can see is in the left hand side here for the indicator with the red icon here. And the second thing, you can go to the resource and click on the resources. Yeah, you see here we have the indicator. It says that this resource is already over allocated. For now we have depth 03 and depth 06 still over allocated in the project. Let's come back to the Gantt chart view, and you do the same thing for task A3, and this assigning to the depth A3, and here depth, and here link, and we have depth A4, F4. This one is 6. Therefore, we have this one, therefore, and this is the depth 4, yeah, and so now the depth 6. Oh, hang on. We have to identify all of the tasks assigning to the depth 6. This one, and this one, and this one. Yeah, okay. So after that, you see, after we assign the right dependencies for all tasks assigning to all of the specific person in the project, you can see we can resolve the over allocated issues in the project plan. Yeah. So actually, when you do any planning, you shouldn't assign a lot of the work to any specific person. Otherwise, that resources will be over allocated. Yeah. And take a look into this one. You still not assign the resources for the last task here to go live and release all of the work you have done. Yeah, so here let's say we can this one go live after we done all of the developments and build the product. Yeah, this one, yeah, we can add the dependency here. It should be done after here the hang on, yeah, we have to done the own task in the rows 3, 27 and 39 in order to start working on the 32. Yes, so here I will add the dependency. First one it should be 3, yeah, and the second one it should be 27, and the last one will be the 29. Yes, okay. Okay, you can click on view and you outline, so all of the tasks. Okay. Yeah. you can assign this one to the PM. You can click on the drop down here to select the right person. PM dev. I will select it for own dev in the project. Yes, something like this. Own team member. Yes. Okay. Assuming we already pushed all of the tasks here into this project plan, and we already assign the tasks and correct some of the mistakes in the planning whenever you assign a lot of the work to some specific person. Okay, I hope this video been helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and happy learning.